This is the Comica VM40. This is a wireless shotgun microphone with 32-bit float and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. That means no more worrying about clipping or low audio levels. It captures everything, which means you can fix it in post. But the real game changer is the Comica Audio app. With a few taps, you can adjust gain, monitor in real time, and adjust settings like low cut filter, and it even has 2 levels of noise suppression, which you can control all from your phone. This is what it sounds like with no noise suppression. This is what it sounds like with low noise suppression. And this is what it sounds like with high noise suppression. This microphone is perfect for podcasting, interviews, filmmaking, and even live streaming. It can be used whether you're in the studio or on the go. So if you're tired of your audio sounding like this, it's time to level up to the Comica VM40. Check the link in the caption to grab yours.